Hello friends, welcome back. We have one more unboxing video today. So I got a beautiful non-stick double-sided pan which you can flip and use easily in the kitchen. So I'm excited to open it. I got a very good deal on this one also. Let's open. This is the pan. It's a beautiful one. I always wanted to have such a double-sided one which is very easy and handy in the kitchen. Wow. Here is the instruction manual. So this is it. It's a non-stick double-sided foldable aluminium grill pan, multi-purpose. You can use it for baking, especially when you're frying fish. The fish oil splashes out on the cooking range and spoils everything. So this way you can just close it and flip it easy. And here it gets stuck to each other magnetic. This way it closes, you open it. Amazing, isn't it? How much did I pay for it? The original price was $2,999 and I got it at 40% discount. I paid $1,799. I think it's worth it. Can't wait to cook this. So friends, do you like it too? I'll share the link in the description box. You can also get one if you wish. It's value for money and a very handy one to have in our kitchens. Now let's see how we can use this pan. Today I'm frying fish. So spray little oil on both the sides. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can use a brush. Heat the pan and place the marinated fish slices. I've just marinated with salt, turmeric powder. Now this upper lid is provided with a gasket like a pressure cooker, which helps in cooking faster, retaining the heat and the nutritional value. So now close the lid and fry on one side 5 minutes, adjusting the heat from time to time. Now flip the pan. Keep adjusting the flame. After 3 minutes, open the lid. The fish is done. Total it took us 8 minutes to fry the fish. Now sprinkle with spice powders. Because I did not add any chilies to the fish earlier, I'm adding all the spice powders on top. This is how we do it the Sindhi way. Sindhi style fried fish. We add spice powders later. Fish is ready for you to serve. Make and enjoy as a side dish with your dal chawal. Now let's fry some patties. I've made delicious sprouted moong and potato patties. Spray the oil on both sides or apply the oil with a brush on both the sides. Now line the patties. And now we are going to close the lid and let them cook on one side, say for about 1 minute or so. Now turn the pan and let's cook the other side. The patties have to be move to place, because while flipping they might move around a bit. Cook again 1 minute on the other side and check it out until you get the desired texture and color. This way you can fry the patties in very little oil. Isn't it a very handy pan? Look at the perfect color and texture of the patty with very little oil. The same way you can make tikkas and many other things in this pan. So check out the link in the description box if you want to get one. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. In case you have missed watching them, check them out now.